And this is our brand new Today Special Value. The bestseller is back. It's the Ninja 12-in-1 Rapid Cook and Convection Double Oven. This is 2 ovens in 1. You can use one, you could use both. You can cook 2 foods with different times, and you can hit a button and they finish at the same time. How about a big old chicken and a whole bunch of mac and cheese? That in this compact countertop oven that has the capability of 12 different functions, and it's the lowest price we've found. I'm gonna tell you out of the gate before I tell you anything else. The QVC price on this oven is $329. Our Today Special Value price is $199.98, and it's free shipping. We've got Easy Pay. Kenzie Swanhart is here with us. She's the director of the Ninja Test Kitchen and a dear friend of all of ours here at the Q. It's good to see you, my friend.
It's so good to see you. I'm so excited to be back.
We've been counting down this day. It's on free shipping. I want to show everybody the colors and everything they're getting, and we're going to dive back into some amazing food with Kenzie. While I walk over and show everybody, I would love for you to give us a call at 800-395-1601. See this? I say you clean it and leave it, because now we're gonna be using this gorgeous countertop oven from Ninja, and this is the black. The cool thing too, you can just open the flex door if you want to, or you can open the whole thing. I love that you're getting the option of both. Right next door is the one that I've been using for the last week. This is the stainless steel. Again, flex door, sure. But if you cook maybe a little salmon down here and some cookies up here or vice versa, they're not gonna taste like each other. Oh, pretty sweet, right? Okay, wait, hang on. Crumb tray comes with it. The 2 baking trays come with it. You get the 2 oven racks that you can use or use one at a time. It's completely customizable for you. And there's even an air fryer basket. $199.98. It's on 5 easy payments of $40. It's on free shipping. And if you use your Q card, you could utilize Easy Pay as well. If you don't have a Q card, if you apply and you're approved and you use it to make your Today Special Value purchase, you can use the $50 credit that you're going to get right on this. You know what that brings the price down to? $149.98. I'm a little braggy about it. I'm kind of excited. I want you all to give this a try. I've been using it for the last week. It cooks incredibly well. And here's everything that it does. We're gonna pop that up as I walk back over, because it's a convection oven. You can roast, you can bake, you can air fry, and all on your countertop. And I tucked it right underneath my cabinet. It fits beautifully there. But the fact that it's the lowest price we found, it's customer top rated. Everybody loves this extra oven, and it's 2 ovens in 1.
It is. The fact that you get 2 ovens here, right? Compact design. It's not taking up any more space on your countertop, but it fits a lot of food. I should say though, while it does fit a lot of food, I mean, I have like, this is probably a 4 or 5 pound turkey in here. If you only wanted to use one of the ovens, you can do that. You don't have to use both. And here you see we did that nice big turkey. I'm sorry, chicken. This isn't a big turkey, this is a big chicken. Perfect for a family, right? If you've got a family and you're looking to do that rotisserie style chicken, you can do that. But of course, Mary, great for meal prep too. So if you have a smaller household, prep your chicken, and then you can have meals for the week. And then we didn't just do chicken. We took it a step further, and we added this gorgeous mac and cheese. And you can see that we did this in, you know, just a regular pie dish. You can use anything in the Ninja Double Oven that is oven safe. So you can use all of your favorites, and then of course we're giving you so many accessories, but they all fit right inside of that oven, so they won't take up any extra space at your house. So in your cabinets.
Broil, we can make toast. We could fit how many bagels in at one time?
3 bagels, 6 pieces of toast. So this is gonna replace that toaster oven. It's gonna replace your stand-up toaster. And honestly, Mary, because you can do so much in here, I haven't used my full-size oven in ages.
I haven't used it in the last week, and I'm pretty excited about it. You know what? After 130,000 being sold at QVC, we would love for you to call us at 800-395-1601. What do you cook in yours? We'd love to hear how you've used yours. It comes with a great booklet with recipes already in it. But there's a guide in there of how to cook practically anything in it, and you can follow the chart easily. But we would love to hear from you at 800-395-1601. I love the fact, too, that it heats up faster because it is compact. It's about 18 by 16 by 13, and so it will fit under your standard height cabinets. But whether you're using the convection oven cook, which is how I've made the best chicken of my life. I can ruin a chicken in a heartbeat because I am so afraid that I'm undercooking it that I turn it into jerky. Right, and so 390 seasoned, patted dry, bottom shelf, convection oven, 28 minutes, don't touch it.
Perfect.
It comes out perfectly, and I learned that from the chart in the back of the book.
Yes.
But I love that all of the functions are listed here, and it's really easy to use.
It's so easy to use. So in here, let me take out what I have in here, and then I want to walk you through how easy this is when you get it home. So in the top oven, I have a salmon dinner, right? So this would be great for, you know, my husband and I, you know, if you're doing date night, you can entertain here. But then, oh wait, what about the kids? Because they're not eating the green stuff or the fish. I've got some French fries and some chicken nuggets for them. So the bottom can be used like an air fryer while the top is being used like an oven.
Do the nuggets taste like salmon?
Oh no, because we've got flavor seal technology.
It's amazing.
Okay? I want you to see there's a nice little seal here, and like you showed before, Mary, you can use this flex door and only access the top if you want to, okay? Or if you want to access the full oven, you can go ahead and do that. Let's walk you through how easy this is to use, though, because when you get this home, it is going to work just like your regular oven. So any of your favorite recipes you're gonna be able to use, but like Mary said, we also give you tons of charts to get started. What you're gonna do is choose top or bottom. It's like so simple because the top one, all of those go along with the top, the bottom all go along with the bottom. If you wanna do on the top, say bake, which it's set for right now, change your temperature, 350, fantastic. Change your time, 20 minutes, perfect. Then on the bottom, let's say we wanna air fry. You know what, a lot of the air fry foods, you want to go up to 450, 400, 450, and then time. Maybe let's say that's going to take us 30 minutes. Then I click Smart Finish. That's going to make sure everything gets done at the same time. So when I click start, it's actually not going to start cooking in that top oven until there's the same amount of time left, and then it'll kick on.
So everybody eats at the same time.
Everybody eats at the same time. Everyone gets hot, crispy, delicious food to the table, because let me tell you, as a mom of 2 little ones, trying to make a full meal for everyone, the most frustrating part is figuring out that like mealtime equation. Like if I have to start this then, and when do I turn that on in the preheat? And there are so many things going on with the kids running around. This makes mealtime a breeze, and we all get to sit down as a family, which for me is super important.
And I don't know if you've ever priced having 2 ovens in your home. That's not a luxury a lot of us even think about. It is expensive to get that professionally installed. Now you're getting 2 ovens for $199.98. Our QVC price on this is $329. You're getting $129 off. Then we put it on free shipping, and now it's over $151 off with that free shipping included in the equation. But you have 5 easy payments of $40. And think about it this way. We're seeing a bunch of fries and chicken nuggets. Amazing.
Look at that.
But if you are a family of 1 to 8, this is your weeknight solution.
Yes.
This is your air fryer. This is your oven. This is your toaster. This replaces so many other appliances. If you're looking at it and you're thinking, well, I don't really have room for that on my countertop right now, it replaces so many that now you can pass those on to someone else, and you could use this as your everyday, one of those appliances that I just mentioned. I do want to show you the color choices again, because the stainless steel is already off in first place. But we do have the very sleek black, and then this is the stainless steel right next door. So you can still get it in the black. You can still get it in the stainless steel. You're getting the crumb tray. Now this is gonna catch anything from either falling on the bottom of the bottom oven or the bottom of the top oven. Here are your 2 12-inch pans. Now these are great obviously for reheating, but also for baking. Here are your 2 wire racks. Now those go into the bottom oven. You can use them together or just use one. And then you also have the air fryer basket that's great for the fries that you saw Kenzie just making. This price goes away at the end of the day. I was super excited to talk to you about this because this is such a great solution. If you are noticing in your own age of possibility, I turned 50 this year and I'm starting to notice I want to stoop down into the oven less and less. I don't want to go down here and pick up the stoneware. I'd like to keep it all countertop height. So now that's what I noticed for myself. But if you're looking for more convenience, you're looking for more functionality, you're looking for better results for your food, maybe a little luxury in your house is, I'd like the chicken to turn out great. It does that and so much more. And Kenzie, when I see all of the different things that this can do and the fact that none of the food tastes like each other, that's what had me at hello.
Super important, because how often would we like to be able to multitask,
Yes.
but then the foods that we're cooking just don't lend themselves to the multitasking.
Right.
Case in point, maybe you're making some cookies.
Ooh.
Maybe you're whipping up dessert, right? But at the same time, you need to get dinner on the table and you're making, let's say, some fish. Well, with the flavor seal technology and that flex door, you can cook the cookies up top, but then in the bottom, I've got my fish going. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cookies down. We're gonna make such a delicious feast tonight, Mary. I'm so excited. And then you've got your fish in the bottom. Mary, I want you to know that when we're in the test kitchen, because I lead the test kitchen, so I have a team of fantastic chefs and food scientists that I work with every day. What I love is that we're actually testing all of this together. So like when we say, you know, air frying 75% less fat, we're actually testing that, right?
That's
with
incredible.
hand cut French fries. It's the best day because we get to eat a lot of French fries. But also when we're testing this flavor seal technology, we want to make sure that you're not transferring the flavor. So we're getting in there and tasting and smelling everything. We're doing testing with consumers. And so that you know when you get this home, it is going to work just as we say. I'm using the air fry basket here for these delicious crispy fish fillets, if you will.
Yeah.
Here you go. We made 6. You can make a lot of food here if you wanted to. Like you said, you could feed up to a family of 8. Pounds and pounds of wings. 4 pounds of wings can fit in this air fry basket. But if you just wanted to do 1 fish fillet, or if you just wanted to do 2 chicken breasts in here, you can do that as well.
Absolutely.
It is going to be flexible with your life and the foods that you want to cook.
I grabbed this lock and lock set to talk to you about exactly what Kenzie is showing you. Maybe you want to meal prep.
Yes.
And you cook up the fish fillets. You made 6 of them. We've got 5 lock and locks here. You just made 5 meals.
Yes, there you go.
Right? So the info for this lock and lock set is on your screen. But, you know, for those of us that are trying to make some smarter choices, I've been pretty vocal about it. This is an absolute heaven-sent item because we have been cooking from frozen. We've been cooking from that raw chicken turned out the best ever. What just went in there?
I did a little, these are like some stuffed shells, so, but not the kind of stuffed shells like we think of, right? These are seafood stuffed shells. So there's a ton of seafood in there, some breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put them under the broil setting on the top here. And I just wanted to show you that I don't have anything in the bottom, right? I took my fish out of there, but I'm gonna go ahead and just set the top, switch our function to broil high, and then I'm gonna do those for about 8 minutes. And we're gonna come out with some delicious, there we go, get started. And I'm only heating up the top, okay? There was no preheat on that broil. It's gonna get right up to temperature really, really quick. And then that bottom just stays cold. We're not gonna use it, but you don't have to use both. If you just wanna make a piece of toast, you wanna make up to 6 pieces of toast, you can go ahead and use the top. So it's super flexible, is what you want to do.
2 ovens in 1.
Yes.
And the fact that it has that seal so that the food doesn't taste like each other. So you can cook fish, you can make cookies at the same time. The other thing too, if you just want to use one of them, you can. But the fact that you can use it to make your toast, what's the best way to clean the trays and the rack?
Great question. So the 2 trays are non-stick. You're gonna hand wash those.
Okay.
The racks, we recommend to hand wash, but they are also can go in the dishwasher if that's easier for you.
That's
but the
fantastic.
trays and the crumb tray, make sure you hand wash those.
Thank you for that.
Non-stick, easy to clean though.
I mean, and think about the holidays.
Oh, yeah.
When everybody comes over. Do you mind if I pop this in your oven?
Oh my
There's no space in the oven.
There is no worse question when somebody brings something over than they're like, and I just have to heat it up. Do you have space?
I didn't cook this?
I never have space. Now you do.
Because you have a whole extra double oven. The other thing too, in the spring and summertime when it gets really hot, you don't have to let the oven that came with the house or that you added to the house heat up the whole space. This one doesn't heat up the entire kitchen. Also, I love the fact that it's compact in size, but it really holds a lot.
It really does.
It's great capacity.
Huge capacity. You could fit like that 5-pound chicken in the bottom like we talked about. You could fit 6 pieces of toast in the top. I think we pulled out, what, 9 cookies
look at
from
this.
the top?
We've been on air for 14 minutes. Let's review. Snickerdoodles came out of the top. 6 fish fillets came out of the bottom. You made